If you're interested in breaking through your weight loss plateau and lose 5 to 10 pounds in 3 to 5 days, I'm sharing 8 keto egg fast recipes and a 3 to 5 day meal plan to break through a weight loss plateau. These keto egg fast recipes include pancakes, lemon bars, oatmeal, pizza, crepes, quiche, waffles, and chaffles. If you're not familiar with the keto egg fast diet, I'm assuming you missed my last video where I covered the keto egg fast diet rules, benefits, results, and risks. Click here to go watch that. To quickly sum it up, the keto egg fast diet is typically designed as a short-term, very low carb, high fat plan designed to help you break through a weight loss plateau. It primarily consists of whole eggs, healthy fats, and cheese. So with that said, here's the 3 and 5 day keto egg fast meal plan. Each of these 8 quick and easy recipes are compliant to the keto egg fast rules. Day 1, for breakfast, keto egg fast pancakes. This makes 1 serving or 4 small pancakes. In a blender, mix 2 large eggs, 1 ounce of cream cheese, a 1/4 teaspoon of cinnamon, and a 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and blend until smooth. Add 1 tablespoon of butter to a non-stick pan over medium heat. Pour the batter into small pancake shapes onto the pan. Cook for approximately 2 minutes or until bubbles form on the surface, then carefully flip and cook for another 1 minute. Serve hot with an optional small drizzle of melted butter. Nutrition facts per serving: 342 calories, 14 grams of protein, 32 grams of fats, and 2 grams of carbohydrates. For lunch, the keto egg fast pizza makes 2 servings. Preheat your oven to 375 degrees Fahrenheit. Line a baking sheet with parchment paper. To make the crust, add the following ingredients to a blender: 3 large eggs, 1.5 ounces of cream cheese, 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese. Blend until smooth. Pour the mixture onto the parchment paper, spreading it out evenly in a rectangular shape to form the crust. Bake for 10 to 12 minutes or until the edges are golden brown and the center is set. Once baked, brush the crust with 1 tablespoon of melted butter to enhance flavor and help bind the cheese. Sprinkle 1/2 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese and 1 tablespoon of grated Parmesan cheese evenly across the top. Add a 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, 1/4 teaspoon of Italian seasoning, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and a 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper on top. Place the pizza back in the oven under the broiler for 3 minutes or until the cheese is melted and bubbly. Let the pizza cool for a minute, slice, and enjoy. Nutrition facts per serving: 451 calories, 26 grams of protein, 33 grams of fats, and 3 grams of carbohydrates. For the snack, keto egg fast chaffles makes 1 serving. Preheat the waffle maker and lightly grease it with 1 tablespoon of melted butter. In a blender, blend 1 large egg and 1 ounce of cream cheese until smooth. Mix in a 1/4 cup of shredded mozzarella cheese to the egg and cream cheese mixture. Pour the mixture into the preheated and greased waffle maker. Cook for about 3 to 4 minutes or until the chaffles are golden and crispy. Carefully remove the chaffles from the waffle maker and let them cool slightly before serving. Top with a little butter and enjoy. Nutrition facts per serving: 350 calories, 14 grams of protein, 32 grams of fat, and 2 grams of carbohydrates. For dinner, keto egg fast quiche makes 2 servings. Preheat oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. In a blender, add 4 large eggs, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of garlic powder, and 1/4 teaspoon of onion powder, then blend until smooth. Pour the egg mixture into the greased small quiche dish. Bake in the oven for 20 minutes or until the quiche is set in the center and slightly golden on top. Remove from the oven and let it cool slightly before serving. Enjoy. Nutrition facts per serving: 442 calories, 16 grams of protein, 41 grams of fat, and 4 grams of carbohydrates. Day 2, for breakfast, keto egg fast waffles makes 1 serving with 2 waffles. In a blender, add 2 large eggs, 2 ounces of cream cheese, 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, a 1/4 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/4 teaspoon of ground cinnamon, then blend until smooth. Preheat the waffle maker, then brush with 1 tablespoon of butter. Pour just enough batter to cover the waffle iron. Close the waffle iron and cook until the waffles are golden brown and cook through, typically for about 3 to 5 minutes. Carefully remove the waffle from the iron and serve hot. You can enjoy them plain or with a dollop of butter. Nutrition facts per serving: 447 calories, 16 grams of protein, 41 grams of fat, and 4 grams of carbohydrates. For lunch, let's have the keto egg fast oatmeal makes 1 serving. In a blender, add 2 large eggs, and 2 ounces of cream cheese, then blend until smooth. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a 1/4 cup of water. Pour in the egg and cream cheese mixture and stir continuously to avoid lumps. Cook for 3 to 5 minutes, stirring constantly until the mixture thickens to a creamy consistency. Stir in 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and stevia to taste. Serve hot and enjoy. Nutrition facts per serving: 349 calories, 16 grams of protein, 30 grams of fats, and 3 grams of carbohydrates. For a snack, Keto Egg Fast Lemon Bars. Make 6 servings with 2 bars per serving. Preheat the oven to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. To make the crust in a blender, add 4 large eggs, 4 ounces of cream cheese, and 2 tablespoons of melted butter, then blend until smooth and combined. Line a small 8 by 8 inch baking dish with parchment paper. Pour the mixture into the baking dish and bake for 12 to 15 minutes or until the crust is set and lightly golden. To make the lemon filling, add 3 large eggs, 3 ounces of cream cheese, 2 tablespoons of melted butter, 2 tablespoons of lemon juice or more for extra tang, 1 teaspoon of lemon zest or more for added lemon flavor, and stevia to taste, or for more lemon flavor, substitute the stevia for 4 packets of true lemon crystals, then blend until smooth. Once the crust is done, pour the lemon filling over the crust and bake for another 12 minutes or until the filling is set but still slightly jiggly in the center. Let the bars cool at room temperature for 30 minutes, then chill in the fridge for at least 1 hour before cutting into the bars. Enjoy cold for the best texture. And if I was going to make this again, I would swap out the stevia for 4 packets of true lemon crystals to get a stronger lemon flavor. Nutrition facts per 2 bar serving: 268 calories, 9 grams of protein, 22 grams of fat, and 2 grams of carbohydrates. And for dinner, Keto Egg Fast Crepes. Makes 1 serving with 2 crepes per serving. Instructions: in a blender, combine 2 large eggs, 2 ounces of cream cheese, stevia to taste, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and blend until completely smooth with no lumps. Heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat and add a small amount of butter to coat the pan. Pour a thin layer of the batter into the skillet. Cook for 1 to 2 minutes or until the edges start to set and the bottom is golden brown, then gently flip and cook the other side for about 30 seconds. Remove the crepe and repeat the process with the remaining batter, adding more butter to the skillet as needed. Serve warm with a small amount of butter and sprinkle of cinnamon for extra flavor. Nutrition facts per 2 crepe serving: 442 calories, 16 grams of protein, 42 grams of fat, and 4 grams of carbohydrates. So for day 3, you're gonna repeat meal plan from day 1. And day 4, you'll repeat the meal plan from day 2. And for day 5, you'll repeat the meal plan from day 1. So how many calories should be consumed daily when following the Keto Egg Fast diet? There are no strict calorie recommendations for the Keto Egg Fast diet, as it focuses more on following specific eating guidelines rather than counting calories. And since everyone's calorie intake varies depending on their individual weight and activity level, I based the 3 and 5 day Egg Fast meal plan on an approximate daily intake of 1,600 calories per day. And if you're a male, feel free to add in an extra 2 lemon bars per day to boost your daily calorie intake closer to 2,000 calories. Lastly, feel free to mix and match the meals and snacks as needed and adjust portion sizes to meet your specific calorie needs. Question of the day: let me know in the comments. Are you looking to lose 5 to 10 pounds in 3 to 5 days? And are you going to try this 3 or 5 day Keto Egg Fast diet recipes and meal plan? If you found this post helpful, click the like button below and subscribe to our Liveling TV YouTube channel for more health and fitness tips. Now I want to go check out this video post on how many calories you should eat in a day. Thanks for watching and keep living lean.